Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So we're continuing to build on the Camaro. I haven't got it painted last time. It's been a little bit, it's dry, so now we can actually handle it and let's just go to town. So we have a lot of work ahead of us, like we said, door, inside, outside, all around. Probably gonna hang the door first, that way we can put all the parts on it without scratching the door, and then just keep working. We're still waiting for the front grille from the dealers coming in. Man, that tow hook, whatever, busted a little grill, so annoying. So it's always in a different warehouse, blah, 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 back order, so it's still coming in a little bit, but either way, we'll keep working and do what we can. Called Ed's Auto Glass are coming out to install the quarter glass. Also the back glass is gonna be installed, so we do wanna install the curtain airbags first probably, and the headliner, since right now we don't have a back glass, we'll probably slide that in a lot easier. So let's go ahead and work on the inside and get it done. All right, guys, check it out. Look what came in. Boom, safety restore. Our seatbelts for the Camaro are here, beautifully packaged together. Awesome, super stoked about that. That way we can keep moving forward. Quick turnaround. They have an amazing website, guys. We'll leave a link down below, so definitely check it out. Honestly, you're helping us out if you check it out through our link, so we appreciate all the support, guys. Safety restore, thanks for hooking us up. Get back to the build.
All right, so there we have it. We got the headliner all installed. We got the back seats, the seat belts, definitely looking good. The next thing we're gonna do is actually put the driver's seat in. And once we put the driver's seat in, we'll probably scan it, make sure there's no lights on the dash. If that's good, then we're gonna put the door on, but let's get these seats inside. Probably wipe them down, clean them. Also, we got the seat. As you know, this one was deployed. We got the airbag replaced and we got it sewed up. It's looking really good. You did a really good job. Definitely happy about that. So let's get the seat cleaned up and get it installed. All right, so there we have it. We got the door installed. We got that all wired up. We got the door panel on. Everything's looking good. The striker, it's closing. The gap is looking really good. Definitely happy about that. So next thing we can probably do is put the side skirt on this side, maybe the other side, and keep going from there. Also, we got the gas cap. Maybe let's just do the gas cap really quick, and then put the side skirts on. Let's get to it. All right, so there we have it. We got the trunk lid installed. We almost got it wired up. I'm gonna wait a little second until we put the bumper on to set the gaps, make sure everything's good. But everything else is looking really good. The taillight's definitely in spot. We still gotta put this little bumper clip thing back on there, put some rivets on it, and we're ready for the rear bumper. So let's keep working. All right, so there we have it. A little bit of dirty, but the rear end is looking together. We got the latch on there, so that's all secured. We still got to put a couple clips on the bottom of the bumper and probably take off the wheels and screw in on the sides. But that rear end is looking good. Definitely needs a wash. The last thing we're gonna have to do is probably put on the front bumper, maybe give it a nice wash and go for a test drive, or we'll do the alignment. So we'll see how it happens, but let's go ahead and put the front bumper on. All right, let's get this Camaro lined up and hit the road. Nice, let's do it.
right, guys, alignment's done for now. Let's go ahead and get it out, put a tag on it, and hit the road, see what it does. First test drive. All right, everything looks good so far. Going straight to sport mode.
Might as well. All right, guys, and just like that, the test drive went great. Honestly, super excited that there's no lights in the dash, it wasn't pulling, driving straight, and yeah, road ready. Didn't hear any weird noises like that, plenty of power, so check engine light wasn't there or anything like that, so great news about that. Really happy with the Camaro, man. The ZL1 turned out fantastic. I would say really quick turnaround. What, we got it like maybe 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, not even 3 weeks. It's been about 2 weeks that we got it smashed, came in salvage, and now it's back in the road and looking as better than ever, honestly. So let us know, guys, what you like better, the Camaro ZL1 that we got or the Challenger. It's pretty cool that we have both of them side by side. I mean, pretty much the same amount of horsepower. But
yeah.
You have your Dodge fans, you got your Chevy fans.
Yeah, so honestly, I'm going with the Hellcat, and Ivan's going with the Camaro, because luckily there's a drag strip right here down the road, and it's open tonight, so we want to take them out and get a chance to see which one's faster, which one looks better, which one would you guys want? Leave some comments down below. What's your favorite? Team Mike, Team Ivan. You know, either way, it's gonna be great. But unfortunately, that's all the time for this video. So make sure you stay tuned, because we are gonna take both of them out head on head. We're gonna race them. We're gonna just check them out, performance, style, all that good stuff. So make sure you guys turn on the notification bell, hit us a like, make sure you subscribe, and we'll catch you next time.